Hello everyone, welcome back to How Logical. In today's tutorial episode, I'm going to show you how to change your name on Bigo Live. Watch the video till the very end to learn how, and if you are watching us for the first time, subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Start by going to your Bigo Live application from your app list and simply tap it open. If you are not signed in, then sign in first. After you are signed in, go to your profile icon located at the bottom right. From your profile page, simply tap on the icon that looks like a human being at the top right. Now on this page, tap on the post button on the top right. As you can see that you have all the information about yourself right here. To change your name, simply tap on your name field right at the above. Simply tap on it and input your name you want to change to. After you're done, simply tap on submit, and as you can see that you have changed your Bigo Live name. Simply go back, and that is how you can change your name on Bigo Live. Pretty simple and quick, isn't it? That is how you can do it. If you like the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Thank you for watching.